Hey guys, Jason Harmony Bakers with your Private Money Minute. What can real estate professionals learn from the restaurant Chick-fil-A? I'm sure you've all been to Chick-fil-A before. It's somewhat of a superior fast food restaurant compared to others. And as we were traveling the last week, we made a few pit stops at Chick-fil-A, and I was so impressed about how they pivoted and changed their business model to do what I call do whatever it takes to make it work. So they took everybody from the inside, all their staff from the inside, they moved them outside. I don't even think they had to get rid of any of their staff, and they just went all in on carryout and all in on drive-through. And there was greeters. They were super friendly. They would take your order, give you your food, and it was so efficient. The drive-through went so quick. And as real estate investors, it's kind of the same process. Do whatever the heck it takes to make it work. Pivot or change your business model. Be nice to your clients. Be friendly. Go the extra mile to help them out. And customer first. And that's just what it is. It doesn't matter if you're dealing with a seller, a buyer, a lender. Be a good person and do whatever it takes to make it work. And recipe for success.